Sakshi Sadegaonkar, and today I am going to tell you about the main method in the Java. Today's date is 18th January 2024, and today's topic for the video is the main method in the Java. So let's get started. So what is the main method in the Java? The main method is known as the entry point of the Java program, in which the JVM starts the execution of the program from that entry point, and which is called as the main method in the Java. The syntax for the main method is that the public static void main, and in braces string argument array. This is nothing but the syntax of the main method in the Java. Now let's see one by one all the words that is included in the creation of the main method with the description. So first is the public. So what is meant by the public? Public is the access modifier. Access modifier in the modifier for the main method. Access modifiers are the modifiers which decides the scope of that method as it is whether the public, it means that can be used publicly. It can be the protected or it can be the private or the protected methods have the scope of that method inside the throughout the class only, it cannot be executed in the other classes of the same package. It is so that the main method should always be the public. If it is the if we make the main method as the private, then the JVM cannot be executed that method. Then the static. The static is the keyword which is used for the declaration of the main method, so that the main so that while calling that method we are not we didn't need to call the we did not need to make the object of that main method while calling that method. If we make the main method as the static method, then we can directly give the call to that particular method. So we have to make the main method as the static method. Then the public is over, static is over. Then the void means the void is the one of the keyword in Java which describes that the method doesn't return anything. Remember that all the methods we make in the Java returns something value to us, like it can be written int value, character value, string value, or anything. If the method doesn't return anything, then we can use the void keyword in the Java. So while writing the main method, we didn't know what our method should exactly return to us, so that we use the void keyword while declaring the main method. Now public static void is completed. Now main is the keyword which indicates that this method is the main method. This method as the main method, because main is the very important keyword while declaring or initializing the main method. Now the string argument array. So what is the use of that string argument array? Because while writing the program in the main method, user can give us the various or the large values of the string. So our Java program must be able to read and execute that bigger and bigger string values, so that the string array is made there. So it's all about the main method. This is the syntax and the use of the particular parameter in the main method. The main method is very important in the while writing the Java program, because when JVM starts the execution, it first finds the main method, so that the main method is also called as the entry point of the program. When the JVM finds that the main method is here, and that from point JVM starts the execution line by line inside the main method, so that the main method is very important parameter while writing the Java programs. Java programs. Also the if we didn't write the main method in the class, then the JVM cannot know or be or it will get the confused that how should execute the program without the main method, because the main method includes all the parameters that is needed for execution of the particular program. So it's all about the main method in the Java. It is very important in view of the interview point also, and our knowledge, and we should have the knowledge of that main method and how it is how it is working. So it's all about the main method in Java. So thank you.